That's part 2 of how to make a COVID-19 game, shooter game. So in this video, we're gonna be making the enemy, and also he's gonna move his head when he shoots. Like when he shoots, he's not looking at where he's shooting. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, let's start. So go to the cell and just take that, put it here. You're gonna use that later. Go to motion. Take a point toward mouse pointer and set rotation to left and right. And so we're gonna take a if else statement. If else and another if else. So I'm gonna show you how it works. You're gonna put that all over there. So this is the direction. You want it to be like 45 minus 45, like minus 45 to 45. You want it to be up, and if it's 45 to like let's say like 135, it's gonna be right, and if it's 135 to minus 135, it's gonna be down. It's 135 to minus 135 to minus 45 is gonna be left. So that's what we want to do. So okay, take it and take this, that, like that's greater than, and put it there. Okay, put it here. For now, we're gonna put it here. Go to motion. So that's gonna be the direction. So we're gonna use directions. Put it one here. Put one here. And so you wanted to have the sides, because left and right is not actually gonna be, it's gonna, like, left and right is gonna be the same. So we're actually gonna change that. We're gonna delete left, go to right, and set its name to side. Yeah. So now direction, you're gonna put 35, 45, and here we're gonna put it 135. So what's gonna happen is if it's 45, like let's say 45 here, and here is 135, like somewhere here, it's gonna actually be side. So that's for only right. That's for right. So that's for, yeah. Now we're gonna duplicate it, and actually we're gonna reverse that. So you're gonna put 135, minus 135 in here, minus 45, minus 45, and take a or operators, and here, put it like that. And so you're gonna put it here, there, and go to looks, switch costume to side. So it should be working now. It's actually